We have next example. To solve this inequality, we have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. So let me copy this example first. I have x over 7 plus x over 4 is less than or equals 1. Because I have fractions on the left side, to reduce them, I have to find the common denominator. It will be 28. So I can multiply both sides by 28. So I have 28 times x over 7 plus 28 times x over 4 is less than or equals 1 times 28 is 28. 7 and 28 will cancel, will be 4. So I have 4x plus 28 and 4 will reduce, will be 7. So I have 7 times x is 7x is less than or equals 28. 4x plus 7x is 11x is less than or equals 28. Now I have to divide both sides by 11. So 11 and 11 will cancel, and I have x is less than or equals 28 divided by 11 will be 2 and 6, 11. So we have draw number line x. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 6 over 11 will be just here. Because we have sign less than or equals, it means this number is included. And because x has to be less, so we have to go to the left side, to negative infinity. So we have interval from negative infinity to 2 and 6 over 11 on the right side close. Now we have to check if this solution is correct. I have to choose the number from this interval. For example, x can be equals 0. So let me copy this example. I have x over 7 plus x over 4 is less than or equals 1. Now I have to replace x by 0. So I have 0 over 7 plus 0 over 4 is less than or equals 1. 0 over 7 is 0, 0 over 4 is 0, so I have on the left side 0 is less than or equals 1. This inequality is true because 0 is less than 1, so our solution is correct.